You can never do a kindness too soon, for you never know how soon it'll be too late. The purpose of life is simple. It's to discover the gift you were endowed with, develop it, then return it. Eat ice cream in moderation, but do eat ice cream. These are a few of the words of encouragement and wisdom people shared in little yellow journals tucked under wooden benches in green spaces across the country. Nature Sacred has been creating and supporting these sacred places in hospitals, universities, prisons, and communities for the past 25 years. They're an oasis of serenity and connection and peace in a world that is increasingly noisy and stressful and seemingly fractured. Every day, in over 100 sacred places, people from all walks of life, young and old, take a few minutes to pause, sit on the bench, and unburden their emotions. They scribble and doodle their loves and losses, their gratitudes and wisdoms, with whoever might happen to sit on the bench next. We've captured some of these inspiring reflections in a limited edition handmade book, so we can always be reminded of the beauty that surrounds us, of nature's healing power, and of our deep connection to each other. Hope you'll take a look and exhale your burdens too, and breathe in a bit of hope.